Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby Brock. Happy birthday to you. Brock, happy birthday! Yay! How are you? Good morning. Happy birthday, number one. Oh. Wow, he loves the balloons.
He loves the
Elmo. Elmo.
You want to open your presents? You want to open one present? Can we help on opening?
Yes, sit down and open it. Go over on the rug. Go on the rug and open it. Go over on the
I'll open it a little bit so
Go over on the marshmallow.
Go on the baby mushroom.
Walk over here. Oh, you want to open some more? Walk, let's open this one. It's this one.
You can bring the balloons down there if you want to.
Brocky.
Rock.
Brock. 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 Look at Brock. Look at Daddy. Brock.
Open the rest. Open
Brock. Brock. Look at Daddy.
He's so excited about
He just wants a balloon. This is Open the
Brock. Look at Dad.
rest.
Brocky boy.
Look at Daddy. Where's Daddy?
Open the rest.
Brock. Where's Daddy?
Brock.
Look.
Hi. Yay.
Oh.
Not really, huh? Brock.
Brock. Where's Dad? Where's Daddy? Brock. Oh, good job.
Are you recording?
Good picture.
Good job! What is this? Yummy! Open this one.
Oh, you poor Bella.
Open that one. Sick on your birthday.
Like being sick on Christmas, huh, Lila? Ooh, another one.
He's loving it. Open it up.
Open it. I'll take the tape off.
No, just let him rip it. He'll rip it.
Let him rip it.
Taking the
You don't have to take the tape off that one.
Picture of him, Mom.
Don't take the tape.
Brock, look at Mama. Where's Mama?
Brock.
Brock, where's Mama? Guys, stop taking it from him.
Brock.
Open it.
Hold on, Lila. I
Lila.
want to get a picture of him holding it, okay?
Are you gonna hold two?
Look at Mama.
Yeah.
Overload. Overload.
Oh, those ones are cute.
All right, open it. Look at Mama.
Ooh.
Do you want the Elmo balloon?
Whoa.
Elmo! The Elmo balloon is the shortest. The Elmo balloon is the shortest. So it's just down here.
Hey. Just let
Ooh! Ooh!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Bubba.
Open the present.
Oh, I hurt my back.
Oh, no, that's Nikki. No.
Oh. 7 a.m. sitting on the floor. My back's done.
Open the big one. Want me to open a little bit for you?
Yeah, help him do it.
Rest?
Just start it a little bit for him.
There. Open it.
He'll rip it. Good boy.
What is that? What are they anyway?
It's a puzzle. I think it makes noise. It's like
Open that.
sounding like.
Ooh.
Ooh!
What is it? What's the animal say in there?
Oh,
Get Daddy's leg in.
Fuck. Do you want your shirt? This one might be a little hard for him.
What is it?
Oh,
You show Mama.
to open it.
Yeah. Fine.
Fuck. Well, this one might be a little hard for him to open.
Nope, just start the edge.
Fuck. Open this one. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Let's get this right here.
Open it. Oh, you want me to open it for you? No, it's your birthday. You got to
Brock.
open it.
Brocky, Brock. Hi. Cute boy.
He just come in there.
Okay, Lila.
He's growling.
Lila and Brody, just get your arms away from him, okay? Just let him do his thing. He's having fun.
Open it. I want him to open it.
Hey, bud. More? More stuff? What's in here? This is the not exciting one. Shirts. Look, Batman.
Mom, you're blocking the light.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Brooke. What is it? What is it?
Oh! What's in there?
Juicy card. Oh, there's another one.
He's going. What is it, Brock? Come show me. Come show Daddy.
Show Daddy. Show Daddy.
Whoa, cars. What do they say?
Open another one.
Cars.
Say.
Oh, what's this, Brocky?
He growled.
Let me see what it is. Let me see what it is. Ooh.
Ooh.
No, not my happy face balloon.
It's not yours.
Yeah, it is.
It's not. Guys.
Lila, stop it.
Go get another present. Go get a present. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, he almost stepped
Oh,
on
he's driving him on the rug.
Oh, put him on the rug. Drive him.
That was Ronnie's birthday too.
He's so excited. Do the birthday dance. Do the birthday dance. Whoa, there he goes. Say, uh-oh. Okay, open another one. Open a present.
He doesn't want to open presents.
This one? You open this one?
So funny.
What's in there? What is it? Oh.
Get him on the mushroom so we can see him. It's too dark. There we go.
Two little friends sitting next to him.
Oh, a new sippy cup! Birthday sippy!
Look. Brock, look. Open that one. Oh. Open that one. You can't take it out, Brock.
Birthday overdose. He doesn't know what to do.
Oh, that. No.
Ooh, another car. Thanks, Lila.
What's that? Yay!
Then open the middle one.
All right, start another one for him.
I heard that these are good. Look. Open it up. Let's open another one.
One at a time.
One at a time, guys.
Open this one.
He just wants his cars.
Open it. There's something good in there. Birthday overload. What are these?
He's going to get his car.
He loves that.
Wow! That's so big about all that. What are you trying to get?
Right to the remote. Ah, thank you.
You want to
Oh, he's bringing it to Daddy.
Okay, that's enough. Just put him down. Thanks, babe.
Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for the loves.
Sit down. Let him just do one thing at a time, okay? Rock! What's this, bud?
Oh no. What's this?
Go back on the couch or the baby's room. What does Birdie have? Oh, you get. Where are you going?
He's like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
It's so exciting.
All right, help him open his last presents. Lila, scoot over. Good job.
Don't do that to him. Oh. Oh. Look, Rock.
Out of the way, Lila.
Move, Lila, move.
Lila, out of the way.
Thank you.
You get. No. Finally going for a balloon. What did you
You
get?
would have been happy with just balloons. Lila.
Hold the end. Hold the end. Hold it. Hold the happy balloon.
What's on the bottom of that?
Oh, wait.
Oh. All right, couple more presents, guys. There's one right behind you, Lila.
Oh. 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 I'm gonna put it out. You're gonna crush them, Brock. Oh, you fell out. That's what was in there.
Say num nums.
Num num. Num num.
You want some of those for
Num
breakfast?
Num
You
num.
want some of your new food for breakfast?
Ooh, num num.
Crackers, huh? You want some?
Dad one.
Give him his other present.
That.
There's another one.
Open that. Open this.
What's that? What is that?
Move, Lila.
Oh, he spit up on his birthday.
Oh,
It's not a birthday unless you spit up.
oh, yeah, yucky, pucky.
And I use that for my Big Mac.
I just need something.
It's No, those are just bananas. No, those are just bananas. I thought they were
Time? You want one?
split up.
No, sit down.
Show us cars. Lila, move. You're blocking the light. Lila, you need to move. Sorry. Sorry. There's not much light in this room. It's really a dark room.
Oh boy. Here.
Oh, it's sensitive.
Grab at it. Oh, you gonna go get her?
Go get Lila. Go say Lila.
Say Lila. She's in her room. Lila.
She's in her room.
Brody,
What?
don't let him go in the bathroom, okay? Come
Get
here.
Lila in her room. Say, come on, Lila.
Lila, come sit by me, honey. And then you'll be out of the way. Go get Lila. Should we go get her? Let's go get Lila. Should we go get Lila? Where are you going?
Oh. Couple more presents, Brock. Come open them.
You still haven't eaten your owl?
Oh, buddy. Go sit down, okay? Go sit down.
Just bash your head into the wall. I have it on tape, by the way. Recorded. Bashing your head. You're too tall for that thing, huh? How old are you?
1 year old.
How old are you?
1.
1. Let me see those teeth.
Okay, come sit by us. We're going to be out here.
Okay.
Okay, grab the last presents for Brock, okay?
Come on, we only have a couple minutes. We gotta get ready for school, guys.
He's got one right here. Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Look. What's that? What's that?
More what are they? Trains or cars?
Trains.
Look, what's this?
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it.
What is it?
Tear it open.
Tear it open.
Tear it.
Yeah.
Ooh, puffs.
Delicious. Delicious. One more? One more present. Yay.
Come on, Lila. He's on his last present.
Lila's missing this one. Pull it, pull it.
All right. Shake it, shake it.
Rip it.
Yeah. Ooh, num num.
Can you rip this open? I think he wants me to open this.
Okay.
Look, Brock. Look, another sippy cup.
Come here.
Oh, cool. You don't have to take it off.
Birthday boy. Where's the balloons? Where's the balloons?